ke batho bangwe gape ba le bararo ba ba tlhokafetseng. Badiri ba le 12 ba lephata la pholo ba akaretswa mo palogotlheng ya baaswi. Batswa setlhabelo ba le 5 ba santse ba le kwa bookelong ka dikgobalo tse di masisi.
5 are still in various hospitals at Charlotte Maxeke, Johannesburg Academic Hospital, Puloseng Hospital, and Tellamkhwerane Hospital. 23 have been discharged and they have been taken back to their families.
Le fa go ise go nne ope yo a rwalang maikarabelo a kotsi eno, Sepodisi se netefaditse fa go tla nna le bosiamisi malebana le kgetse eno.
To date, we have obtained more than 40 witness statements, more than 40. But there are outstanding key exhibits which we feel that we need to get them to can assist us to finalize this investigation. One, it's a post-mortem report, and that one is due to the moving target because as and when the pathologists are busy working on those things, it does happen that we lose another person, so they must keep on doing that. But that is not so much of a problem for us. Ourselves and the prosecutors, we can still continue while we are receiving those post-mortem reports as and when they've been finalized.
Tiro ya go siamisa bookelo ba Tambo Memorial bo le bona bo sentsweng ke thunyo e bo tsweletse.
We can confirm that the construction work for the replacement of broken windows at the hospital, including the nurses' residence, has been completed.
Puso ya province ya re go siamisa ga setheo se go solofetse go konosediwa mo dibekeng di le 2.